Hello, my name is Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
Yes, that is what you call me, and that is Spice Colin behind the camera. Now we have an adorable warmer to share with you. This is the warmer of the month, and it's called Express Yourself, as in it's an egg. It's an Easter egg. Years ago we had an Easter egg, but it was already colored. This one is a do-it-yourself with the markers. It has a dish, takes a 20-watt bulb, and light just comes from the holes. Now, when you pick up the lid, this is the dish, this is the lid. When you pick this up, you have to be a little bit careful because there's it's not that grippy. But if it had grippies on it, it wouldn't look like an Easter egg now, would it? So this is pretty cute. There's a very fine metallic goldish kind of outline, and you can color with your markers, and you can make that a new family tradition. I know I have some wonderful Easter memories, and I'm going to share a few of them. So even late in life, you can start some Easter memories. But can you imagine how fun this would be, coloring this warmer with some little ones, or even an elder? So it's a lot of wonderful things about this warmer. And I think that when you see the sip and paints and how popular they are, here is a product that you can color, and then you take a cotton ball with rubbing alcohol and you could remove that and you can color it again, like time after time. And look how cool this would look clustered in threes, 3 different heights. That would look really neat. If I had 3 of them here, I'd show you that. But everybody could have their own little Easter egg craft, and you could make that a fun little tradition. So the scent of the month, unfortunately, is back in my bedroom because it's really good. But it's called Spring Has Sprung, and it's a beautiful green, and it's a very fresh scent. So I forgot to get that one.
I can smell it from here.
You're right. But anyway, if my videos help you, I want to get you a good look how it says Scentsy. The cord comes out the back. It's 6.5 inches tall, and it is a beauty. It is even beautiful if you don't color it. It's even beautiful with neutral tones. But imagine how much fun you could have with this. So share if my videos help you. And I have a Facebook business page called Spice Dawn Tips to Share. I do other tips on that, so different than what I do on my YouTube. So I hope you have a great day. Bye.